It's GoldieBlox, and guys, it's time to bust out those pastels and steal every single egg from your fridge. It's Easter time, and we're doing Easter hacks. And the weekly Goldie Squad shoutout goes to Nightlight Sky. If you want to join them in the notification squad, just hit that bell. It's time to hack the world. We have jelly bean candles. These candles are exactly what it sounds like. They have actual jelly beans in them, so they smell amazing when you burn them. I like jelly beans, but I'm like, I would rather have a Milky Way, you know? Like, I would rather have the chocolate. So if you have like stale jelly beans, or you just don't like jelly beans, you like jelly beans and you want the smell in your room, then you can put them in a candle. Okay, it's time to light them. So always fire safety, put your hair back, always have an adult present and blow out your candles every single time you leave the room. Okay, so these candles are super cute. They're just super colorful and cute. They kind of look like confetti cake. You know, like, I mean, I guess you could use any like candy you want. I mean, like I use jelly beans because they're like pops of color. You could use Starburst, Skittles, jelly bean candles. Let's hack it. It smells like birthday cake. Oh my God. For this DIY, you'll need jelly beans, a sauce pot, a candle making pitcher, glass jars, candle wax, candle wicks, and scissors. First, melt your candle wax into the candle making pitcher submerged in lightly boiling water. Make sure you ask an adult for help with this part. Please don't burn yourself, guys. Next, cut down your wick and hot glue to the bottom of the jar. Pour in some melted wax to the bottom of the jar. Then add a layer of jelly beans. Repeat this step until you reach the top of the jar. Let it dry, and it's done! I am so jelly of this candle, you guys. That's it for today's video. Have a happy Easter, hackers. GoldieBlox signing out.